students, today I am going to teach the second chapter of your lesson, that is Wild Duck. The chapter is written by Romesh Gunashekhara. Now about the author. Mr. Gunashekhara was born in Colombo and grew up in Sri Lanka and the Philippines before moving to England. His powerful stories reflect his roots as well as the ethnic and political tensions that have threatened Sri Lanka. He has won many awards for his writing. His works studies the effects of time, loss and role of the imaginations in the transformation of human lives. His poetry has also received prizes and they have been anthologized. He lives in London. Now about this chapter, Wild Duck. Wild Duck is an adaptation from a full-length story. The transition from teenage years to adulthood can be a testing time. This sensitively written story traces a father-son relationship and a coming-of-age experience. The father seems to be testing his son and watching to see how the boy reacts. The son's bold decision to break free from his father's shadow forms a significant moment in the story. Now children, we will read the story. Okay. Children, a Wild Duck. This story is about a father and a son. The father takes his son hunting to teach him to shoot down wild ducks. Now we will start the chapter. They will come from over there. The man pointed at the red volcanic hills. Now children, why the author has described the hills as red volcanic? Because it reflects the bright sunlight on barren rocky surface. Therefore, he has described the hills as red volcanic. Okay. He and the boy both had guns resting across their knees. They sat facing each other in a small motionless boat with the oars tucked in. Children, you know what do you mean by oars? Oars are used for rowing a boat. Okay. Are you ready? He asked his son. Yes. They come in clouds, huge clouds moving very fast. He moved his arm in a wide swipe. Now he moved his arm in a wide sweep means he opened his arm out in a swift, wide curving movement. Rocking the boats. You have to be quick, shoot fast. The boy ran his finger down the cold blue barrel of his gun, minute by minute. Barrel of his gun means, children, the part of a gun through which a bullet is fired. The light changed on the flat surface of the water. Orange, red, mauve seeped from the sky. It was late afternoon, a lake in a wilderness. You loaded? Yes. Remember, aim well ahead. You have to imagine the flight path. To be dead on is not easy. Dead on means hit the target perfectly. So to be dead on is not easy, but you have to manage with just one shot. I know. Suddenly the boy looked up. Is that them? A ribbon of black dots billowed out of the horizon. The boy was spellbound. Breath whistled out of his small round mouth. Watching birds was his passion. There must be millions, he exclaimed. The sky was covered by teal. Children, teal means a small wild duck. Huge clouds of them banked one way, then another, changing the shape of the sky and blotting the lights. Blotting means blocking out. Okay, children? Blotting means blocking out the light. The sky deepened. The water turned black. Small groups broke away, diving, then rising in perfect formation. So, children, today I will teach you the chapter till this point. Now, you have to learn all these word meanings. You can see on the left side of your book some words are given and the word meanings are given. You have to learn this. I will come with half of the chapter in my next video. Okay, children.